Some people seem to glide through life on a frictionless track, while others spend their energy constantly bracing for the next hit. It is easy to assume the universe deals out luck and struggle at random, but this assumes that life is a chaotic series of events happening by pure chance. In 1908, a text called the Kybalion introduced an entirely different perspective. It synthesized ancient Hermetic philosophy to argue that reality is governed by a hidden, consistent architecture. Recognizing that these rules exist allows you to move from a victim of circumstance to the architect of your own experience. These ancient Hermetic principles are no longer confined to the realm of esoteric lore. Modern breakthroughs in quantum physics and neuroscience are uncovering the same mechanisms that philosophers described centuries ago. The intersection of this modern science and ancient wisdom reveals that your internal state serves as the program for your physical reality. The law of mentalism provides the foundation. Every physical outcome in existence originates as a thought. This works alongside the law of relativity, which states that no event has inherent positive or negative meaning. Meaning only arises when the mind compares a situation to something else. Neuroscientifically, our brains function as pattern recognition machines. Our internal expectations act as a lens, literally shaping what we perceive in the physical world. Shifting your internal blueprint changes how your brain filters the world, allowing you to notice opportunities or threats that were previously invisible. Because your internal narrative dictates your perception, you are the one actively coding your own physical limits. Once the mind provides the blueprint, the law of vibration provides the energy to build it. Quantum physics shows that even solid matter is composed of energy vibrating at specific frequencies. Thoughts and emotions emit measurable vibrational frequencies. Like sound creating order from chaos in a cymatics experiment, these frequencies interact with our environment. The law of correspondence defines this relationship with a simple rule: as within, so without. This clarifies the law of attraction. You do not attract what you idly desire. You attract the frequency you actively embody. Altering your external world requires you to first tune your internal frequency to match the outcome you want to create. However, manifestation is not a passive process. You cannot wish a result into existence without physically interacting with the world. The law of inspired action requires you to move immediately when nudged by intuition, acting before the logical brain introduces doubt. This source details ultradian rhythms, which are biological cycles of energy that peak and valley every 90 to 120 minutes. The law of rhythm teaches us to work with these natural waves rather than attempting a relentless, unsustainable grind. Every physical step you take invokes the law of cause and effect. Every action is a seed planted in reality that yields a corresponding result. Physically aligned action completes the pipeline, converting potential energy into actual reality. Even with these laws in place, life can still deliver setbacks. What happens when the system appears to fail? The law of perpetual transmutation of energy acts as a psychological tool for navigating these moments. It states that energy is never permanently stuck. It is in constant motion and can always be consciously redirected by the observer. Focusing on a single better thought can interrupt a downward emotional spiral. This redirection transmutes heavy, negative energy into a neutral or upward trajectory. Knowing how to pivot your psychological energy ensures you are never truly defeated by your circumstances. The 12 universal laws function as the neutral operating system of our reality. The universe is not a judge deciding whether to reward or punish you. It is a mechanism waiting for your deliberate input. You are not a random passenger in a chaotic world. You are the universe experiencing itself, and you hold the code to build whatever life you choose.